Hi, this is Miss Lavodi, and this is part 2 of your social awareness collage. We're starting with our original collage from Eddie Bang Paint, and now we're going to bring it into the Tayasui Sketches Pro app for iPad, so that way we can add some handwritten marks to our image. Use the 3 dots at the upper menu to bring in your photograph and add a layer over it using the plus sign on the right hand side. I'm going to pick some brushes to make marks on my portrait to further identify the social awareness topic of unrealistic beauty standards, so I am drawing in little lines and marks that would represent something of a markup for plastic surgery. So all of this is being drawn on a separate layer. Remember, the layers are visible on the right hand side. You'll see 3 little stacked pieces of paper, and when you tap that, it'll show you your layers icon. So you can draw over your picture as much as you'd like to if you need to do this. I'm making a new layer, and I'm going to use the shape tool to add in some speech bubble shapes. So within the pattern tool over there, you'll see the shape icon. So I tap a shape, and then I change its color, and I can change its size and placement, and click the check mark on the bottom of the screen when I have it the way that I like it. You can change your color after you drag your element out onto the surface. Now I'm using another marker tool to handwrite into the speech bubbles. I'm doing that also on a separate layer, and as you can see, I've just merged the layers together by dragging them right on top of each other. Now I'm going to add a handwritten texture layer over my work, so that way it can create more content but also kind of trap the other layers and create another round of texture. So I'm using the pencil brush tool, and I'm adding another layer, and now I'm just adding some words and phrases to my picture that supports the idea of my work. From here, you can erase the text where you want your image to show through more. So I'm picking the eraser tool. There's a soft edge eraser. I'm changing the size, and I am erasing away within the portrait, so that way the words don't completely cover my picture. Looking the way you want, you can click the 3 dots at the top, and you can click the up arrow, and this will export your work to your iPad.